Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. YouTuber Annelisiwe Njangana announces a divorce between Yena and Oluthando Ntshangasa, which is her baby daddy, and Oluthando lawyer, phindela phela businessman siyamati. We've seen Oluthando trend several times for cheating on u-Annelisiwe. Uthi makabhala statement lapha ku-Instagram nalapha ku-TikTok, actually kuma-social media platforms akhe onke, uthi, "Hey loves, as I navigate this new chapter of my life, I wanted to take a moment and address few changes. After much consideration, reflection, my husband and I have made a difficult decision." Difficult, and I knew guys what's popping. To separate, and we are currently in the process of divorcing. I understand this news may come as a shock to most of you. Well, we are not shocked because there were always red flags mani kulo mshado wabo, so we kind of knew ukuthi there's something wrong, and people have been asking ukuthi why I keep my pictures Luthando on social media platforms wakhe, why she's no longer wearing her ring. So people knew ukuthi there's something going on between the two. Also, I would love to thank my followers for their continued support. Your kindness, compassion means the world to me, and I'm grateful to have all of you by my side as I embark on this new journey. I kindly request that you respect my privacy, and the privacy of my loved ones during this difficult time. I will continue to share my life with you all, and I look forward to this new chapter ahead. Thank you again for your love and support. Sincerely, u-Annelisiwe. Guys, they will outspeak. So girl, ube a-wall lapha kuma-social media platforms, kakhulu kade ku-YouTube uhleli isikhathi njalo kangaposti. So I guess ugirl was still trying to process this whole thing, and people have been asking ukuthi ukuphi, why angasaphosti lapha YouTube like she used to, but she's back now with this announcement. So please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.